Shortly after Mike had stopped the ITC session, he catches this on video.
Focus back to the camera. Walk away. Walk away. Get away from the living room. You have 5 seconds. Okay. Alright. I don't know what that was. Probably a bug or a piece of dust or lint or, whatever. Probably everything but a ghost. Talking to the kid spirits. Aww. That's awesome. You talking to the kid spirits, Buckeye? Oh, they like you. Spirits, can you walk up the steps? I want to capture you on video. Can you walk up my steps? I want to capture you on video, spirits. Look at the dog. Oh, nice. I just seen an orb come through. Ooh, oh my God. I just seen an orb come straight to the right side of the camera at 117. I did see something come from the left side of the dog, but I'm not sure on that. That could have been a bug or a piece of dust. I have to analyze it. But around 117, that was an energy form of a spirit. His tail is not moving. Spirits, can you come upstairs and play with the dog? Can you pet the dog? I give you permission to come up here and play with the dog, spirits. See his head turn? Oh, losing focus, losing focus. Oh my God. Wow, dude, see. Yeah, my camera just lost focus and I got goosebumps, spirits. That was my hand, sorry. Can you come up the steps? I want to see you. Oh yeah, I feel you now. Did you see the goosebumps on my hand? Whew.
My dog's in the hallway. Can you call on him? Can you call on my dog Buckeye? He's in the hallway. Go ahead. He's looking down the steps. Call his name. What's up?
What?
Yeah, what's up, man? You just said my name.
Cat.
That's a dog. I got my spirit box running. Digital's on. Asking the spirits to pick on my dog. I give you permission to pick on him. Don't hurt him, just pick on him. Can you call him downstairs?
Maybe.
Can you make a noise so he can hear you?
Cool.
Can you go up and pet him? Nah, he just walked away. If he walks back to the top of the steps, I give you permission to go up and pet him, okay? Like right now. Do it right now. Pet him, pet him. Go do it right now. Before he walks back in here. Pet my dog. Shoot down and touch him. Oh. You see that orb shoot up from the mirror around 231, 232? One more time, if you want. One more time, if you want to pet my dog, now's your chance. If I was you, I'd walk up and blow in his ear.
Eric.
10 more seconds, I'm going to turn it off.